Hello kids, welcome to our happy farm. Today, we will learn about farm animals and how they help farmers every day. Let's start learning and have fun.
Cow.
Cow. The cow gives milk to the farmer. Milk is used for food.
Buffalo.
Buffalo. The buffalo gives milk. It also helps pull carts.
Ox.
Ox. The ox pulls plows. It helps farmers in fields.
Goat.
Goat. The goat gives milk. It also gives meat.
Sheep.
Sheep. The sheep gives wool. Wool makes clothes.
Horse.
Horse. The horse pulls carts. It helps in transport.
Donkey.
Donkey. The donkey carries loads. It helps farmers travel.
Pig.
Pig. The pig gives meat. It helps farmers earn money.
Hen.
Hen. The hen lays eggs. Eggs are healthy food.
Rooster.
Rooster. The rooster wakes farmers early. It protects the flock. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.
Duck.
Duck. The duck lays eggs. It eats insects in farms.
Turkey.
Turkey. The turkey gives meat. Farmers sell it.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. The rabbit gives fur. It also gives meat.
Dog.
Dog. The dog guards the farm. It keeps animals safe.
Cat.
Cat. The cat catches mice. It protects crops.
Bee.
Bee. The bee makes honey. It helps plants grow.
Camel.
Camel. The camel carries goods. It helps in dry farms.
Peacock.
Peacock. The peacock eats insects. It keeps farms clean.
Pigeon.
Pigeon. The pigeon spreads seeds. It helps plants grow.
Quail.
Quail. The quail lays eggs. Farmers sell them. Thank you for watching, kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.